the tutorial for the most lovely lip art. You'll see why. First, apply the red lipstick, then the letters love you with hearts instead of O's. Paint them with stripes, 2 colors on each, then correct the letters with red lipstick so that they're even and smooth. Correct the lips with foundation, and take someone you love. And more close-up and personal tutorials sketch out the pink hearts. And by the way, did you know that you can find this Valentine's Day lip art and the previous one and many more in the lip art book linked in the description box? That's right, over 220 lip art photos. Fill in the hearts with violet and apply more duochrome glitter, and then sketch out the borders with a dark purple lipstick. Enjoy the duochromeness of the sparkle and your romantic Valentine's Day. But what if you want to stay dark and spooky for Valentine's Day? Well, you can go for an anti-Valentine's Day look. Just sketch out the evil shape, apply the blurple pigment for an ombre, some lash glue, and apply the emerald green studs. By the way, tutorials like this come way more in detail on the Mirror Beauty Patreon. We get sort of the Maleficent vibe, super evil. Negative space hearts lips. First, sketch out the lips and the hearts with white liquid lipstick, and then start applying the colors of the rainbow one by one, blending them together and going around the hearts, but covering the white lines. Blend, blend, blend. While we're doing it, tell me what your favorite color of the rainbow is, and then carve the lips with foundation, and don't forget to follow me. You're 5 steps away from a fabulous lip art. Step 1, sketch the stripes design. Step 2, fill in the stripes with violet and green liquid lipsticks. Correct the fine lines with a thin brush. Step 3, cover the stripes with eyeshadow to get that glittery or duochrome effect. Take your time, color all the stripes. Step 4, draw the hearts on some of the stripes, whichever you feel like. Step 5, carve your lips with foundation, and there you go. Enjoy and follow me for more lip art tutorials.